Casa Calma is a house that stands out for its clear and precise structure. Two horizontal planes forming the floor and roof, and two vertical planes forming the walls. Just four elements that come together to create a simple yet expressive shelter. All share the same sand-toned materiality, reinforcing a sense of unity. Discrete recessed profiles mark the transitions between them, revealing the structural independence of each plane. Set in the middle of a pine forest, just a short walk from the beach, this house was designed as a true retreat, a place of calm, far from the chaotic rhythm of the city. The design follows a nearly rigid geometric logic, but one that opens up to nature and to life. Windows were carefully placed to maximize natural light and cross-ventilation, while the layout subtly follows the gentle slope of the land. Inside, the architectural simplicity acts as a blank canvas, a space that welcomes memories, personal objects, and allows every daily gesture to gain presence. White stucco, glass, aluminum, and wood complete the material palette, always in harmony with nature. The result is a quiet, serene home that doesn't try to stand out, but instead dissolves into the landscape and the passing of time. Outside, the garden slowly begins to take over the house. Vegetation approaches, climbs the edges, softens the firm lines of the structure, and reinforces the connection with the surroundings. Casa Calma is more than a shelter. It's an exercise in restraint, where less truly becomes more. An invitation to pause, to reflect, and to reconnect with the essential.